Alright guys, we're going to fix this door from rubbing here in the door jamb. So what I would do is take one screw out of each hinge, the center screw. Take the center screw out. Okay. The idea is you want to draw this in a little bit, because over time it sags, especially this door here. They never put shims on it. So we want to use a bigger screw too. You want to use a 3/8 screw. Alright, you want to draw it in. Ooh, look at that. Doesn't rub anymore. Okay, now we have a nice, I don't know if you can see that or not. And now we have a nice 1/8 of an inch from the top all the way to the bottom. See that? Now it closes real nice. Okay. Now we'll take the door off the hinges and cut the bottom to stop it from rubbing on the concrete. Now it doesn't do it all the time. It does it with the weather, changing the weather. Like if it starts raining and gets humid out, it'll swell and it's too close to the floor, so it rubs on the concrete. So just going to take an 1/8 of an inch off, and that's going to clear it. Then what you want to do is you want to pop these pins. Take the pins out. I'm sure you can see me here, yeah. Sometimes it can be difficult. This particular hinge doesn't have a hole in the bottom. Normally you would have a hole and you would take this punch and you would stick it in the bottom, tap on it, and it would pull the pin out. The hinge pin. But in this one, you're going to have to catch it right on the lip. Okay, got that one out. So the idea is, here's your hinge. And you're going to take this punch and you're going to have to try to get it right there and use your hammer to pull it up. So it'll be like this. Just like this. Let's see, I can put it over here in this one instead. You might be able to see it better. So just say this is the top of your hinge. You gotta get that right in there and tap it up. Guess you got the idea. Alright, let me get this set up. Alright, so I got this door down here. And you can see here, it's loose. The door is warped, needs to be replaced, but for temporary purposes, I'm just going to temporarily fix it until we get the new door in. As I stated, this is just a temporary fix. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my strap. I don't have any of those fancy clamps, so this is my clamp right here. Okay, bring this around. So what we're trying to do is pull these two panels together this way. One this way, one this way. Okay, that's a little better. Better right there. We'll just take one of these L brackets. Temporary. Remember, this is only temporary. This is enough to hold it together so that we're there so we get a new door. I'm going to use an 1.25" deck screws. Okay. We also want to check our hinges too. Check our hinges. Make sure they're all nice and tight. That one's tight. That one's tight. This one is a little loose. Clean this up a little bit. Knock the paint off. Knock the paint off of the screws. Because whatever paint is last, just paint it right over the hole, right over the screw holes. Which always makes for work. I take my drill Phillips head and just give it a little tap. Like that. Okay. Then we'll be able to get in. Take these out and place them next to the cooler. Make it nice and tight. Okay. Tight. Nice and tight. Okay, we can get rid of those. Alright. We'll put another angle over here on this side. Over here on this side. This side here seems to be a little loose too. I like putting another angle. I feel it gives me a better hold. remember, this is just temporary, okay? This is not permanent fix. It definitely wouldn't be doing it this way. Oh. Okay. Take the strap off. Alright. Alright. I'll make a line. Cut off our, move it off the bottom. Concentrate on this window pane. Normally the door would be on the hinges, but since I have it off the hinges, I'm just going to go ahead and do it on the table here. So I'm going to pop this trim. You want to save the trim if you don't have new trim. Be real careful when you're pulling this out because of the glass. You see there's still glass on there. All this paint, peel that off. Okay, so that piece, this piece I already have. if you can get it off. And then we got little brads in here too. Try to pull them out if you can. That didn't come out. To another. Trim out of here. Paint. Okay. Alright, so now we got that out. We just want to clean up around the frame here. Get some loose stuff out. Bag. Said this is just a temporary door repair. Enough to hold the glass in place. Just a little bead. I'm going to put a little bead all the way around. Like that. Well, all right, give me 1 second. Alright, we want to take some of these laser points. Just like that. Some of these right on here. Right there. You push them into the wood. This part goes against the glass. This part gets pushed into the wood. A little point. I'll put a couple on each side. put our trim back in. Okay. Put some nails in there instead. Just be real careful, you don't break the glass. These are going to go on an angle. One more in there. Alrighty, got the door in, got the new glass in. Okay, closes nice, locks. Alright, got a little bit of a gap now at the bottom, so don't rub on the concrete. Okay. Now what I need to do is just paint it. Paint it all. I'm gonna get started on that. Now I'm gonna prime this first. Prime all this bare wood. Prime that and then paint it. And then you can see how the panels are all delaminated. The whole door is warped. It's a 60-year-old door. Yeah, not bad for a 60-year-old door. Alright guys, thanks for watching.